So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with my new video on how to play Squid Game on Android, or you can do same method on iOS also. So without any further delay, let's begin. If you are on Android, then go to your Play Store, or if you are in iOS, then go to your App Store and search for Roblox RBLOX. Then install it. After installation, just open it. Then just sign up for your account. Just type username, password, your bot date and gender, and sign up. And if it asks for a verification, just then verify it. So now our account is ready, and just you can see the search bar and type Squid Game on the search bar. Now you can see there are many Squid Games here, but my suggestion is just go for the one which has more likes. So you can see this has 86% likes, so I'm clicking on this one. So this is it. This is the way you can go for other games also. So this is it. If you like the video, then thumbs up, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching everyone. Just enjoy the gameplay.